In this video, we're going to show you how to make a natural homemade mosquito repellent with just 3 simple ingredients: beer, Epsom salt, and mint-flavored mouthwash. This recipe makes about 25 ounces of solution, which is just about 3 cups. Start with 1 12-ounce can or bottle of beer. Any type of beer will work. Next, add 1 cup of Epsom salt. Plain Epsom salt is fine, but we prefer to use one with added essential oils such as lemon, lavender, or eucalyptus. These scents help further deter mosquitoes. Next, add about 5 ounces of mint-flavored mouthwash. Stir and blend the mixture until all the Epsom salt has diluted. Once blended, transfer contents to a spray bottle and it's time to put it to work. Spray around the perimeter of your house, patio, lawn, and garden. We like to focus around the porch area by the small shrubs and along the sides by the garbage bin. Solution lasts about 2 months, and we typically apply twice a year around early spring and summer. We also spray along steps and outer windowsills, and also along the fence around the property. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.